Hi friends. After my suspension and unsuspension in 2020, I have been helping quite a few local guides trying to figure out why they got punished and kicked out of the local guides program. All these experiences are what I now will be sharing in a new mini-series on Local Guides Connect. The mini-series is called How to Get In and Out of Trouble for Local Guides. Since Google is not exactly helpful to local guides who get in trouble, I'm happy now to present some guidance to disappointed and sometimes very frustrated local guides who got punished and might not understand why they got kicked out. Remember, we need to read and understand all the guidelines to be a good local guide. This mini-series can help you avoid some of the most common pitfalls you can get in trouble for. And the last post has some hints on how to get unsuspended. But it might not be possible to get unsuspended. I hope you enjoy this little tutorial.